Hello, today I'd like to show you our Globen ceiling tile. It is a 3D ceiling tile that goes beautifully with modern, contemporary, retro, or mid-century furniture and decor. It works with a standard 1-inch wide, 2 foot by 2 foot drop ceiling grid. At 0.5 millimeter thick, its feather-like construction and flexibility makes it super easy to install, even in tight spaces. They're also easy to cut for lighting, and this tile is particularly nice for lighting in the center. Being made of durable PVC, it is designed to last a lifetime. It is waterproof, mold and mildew resistant, and can be cleaned with soap and water. This makes it ideal for basements. For your safety, it also has a Class A fire rating. When installing, it is important not to have anything touch the tiles from above, as these tiles are not weight-bearing. All installation, AC ducting, wiring, and light fixtures must be properly supported from above. That was easy, and it looks solid as a rock.